So you can clearly see a dent here. I'm not sure if you can see on this light, but there are a few scratches on the top as well. And here you can see the dent on the side, and it's quite clearly visible. I'll change the angle so maybe you can see it better. So for a new item, I don't think this is acceptable. Yeah, this.
On the bottom tray, I have a pot lid, a roasting tray, 2 large bowls, 3 soup bowls, 3 regular sized plates and 1 large plate, as well as a baking tray. I've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11 cups. And that, you can see, goes in quite smoothly with lots of room for washing. And then on the top tray, I have another pan, another cup, some large kitchen utensils there, and then I have 2 trays for other utensils, other cutlery.